Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Health and Beauty Secret Indian Healing Clay. It's a bentonite clay that is really good for detoxing, purifying, and removing any impurities in the skin or the hair and scalp. I'm going to be using this in my hair today. I've heard so many good things about this. I've watched so many videos. I've even tried this once before, but I did it wrong, so I'm here about to try it again and gonna show you guys to see what the results are with my hair. It's supposed to bring back some definitions, very much clean and purify your hair, so I'm super excited with that. Before we jump into it, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss when I upload or when I live stream. I'm gonna just show you guys how I mix this together. I eyeballed everything out, so I used some of this bentonite clay and I just poured a bunch of powder into a bowl. It's gonna depend differently for different people, like depending on how much hair you have, the thickness, so it's up to you guys. And then I did a splash of the apple cider vinegar, which is 100% organic. I also added some water to kind of mix in the texture, just to get it to the texture that I wanted to get it to. Then I also added some hair oils to help hydrate, because I saw that a lot of people were having a lot of dry, stiff kind of feeling in their hair afterwards, which I cannot blame because this is kind of like a protein treatment in my eyes. So as you can see, I was just kind of mixing it up and finding a consistency that I liked for myself, and that's kind of what I came out with. Kind of looks like baby poop. It doesn't smell too bad. I saw in some videos some people were like, bleh, but it's not too bad to me because I added the oils and I'm used to the smell of apple cider vinegar, so yeah. I'm gonna now split my hair into sections, probably 4, and then we're gonna go ahead and start adding it to my hair. So wish me luck. Luckily, I detangled my hair a few nights ago, so my hair's gone pretty well. Still doing pretty good. All right, so I'm ready. Let's look at my hair before. Kind of dry, needs some love. Part of my scalp was kind of dry as well. If you guys can see that dryness coming up when I scratch it, so I'm hoping that it kind of gets rid of that. I got a towel, don't mess up my shirt too much. Okay. I'm just gonna go in and use my hands. This is all natural stuff, so I'm not really afraid of it really bothering my fingers or anything like that. And I feel like if I were to put gloves on, I wouldn't be able to part my hair and stuff properly, so we're just gonna go with my hands. Just gonna spray my hair. Pretty much just gonna talk this part out right here and then just speed it through. What it looks like. It's the consistency I have it in, and I'm just gonna start. Ooh, it's making my hair all stiff. Give it in my scalp as well. So feeling it in my hair, kind of, I feel that it's getting harder and brittle, which is like a very intense, clarifying protein treatment. I think I have more than enough in my hair. But I'm gonna use it all. A lot of people have been using this as a face mask as well, but I'm just gonna stick with my hair for today. I didn't mention that you are supposed to apply this to wet hair, because applying this to dry hair would kind of be difficult. It's kind of drying already, so it's definitely easier to apply on wet hair. For the most part, this is how my hair is looking. It's really hard. It's super hard. I have so much left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of this to my hair. Like, I have so much left. Let's just coat the rest of my hair with this baby poop looking healing clay. Okay, so you guys can see I finished it for the most part. And now I'm actually going to tie my hair back, or I should say clip my hair back, and allow it to sit for the 20 minutes. I most definitely would not make it go longer than that. My hair is already feeling brittle. Also gonna throw a shower cap over it. Ooh, look at my towel. All over that. Put the shower cap on. Okay, that was messy. Anybody who's doing this, just be prepared for the mess. Like, my floor has clay on it. I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. There's my timer for 20 minutes. I'm just gonna let this rest, go eat something for lunch, and I'll come back, take a shower, and deep condition, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Okay guys, if you can't just tell, I just took the shower and rinsed this all out of my hair. I did deep condition. I'm gonna show you what I deep conditioned with. I deep conditioned with my Less Brands Love Your Curls 5-minute deep conditioner. I left it in for 10, but did the job. My hair is soft, so it's not hard and brittle. And if you guys can't tell, my hair looks super defined while wet, which normally doesn't happen to me too often. It does feel cleaner and shinier. So you guys don't think I'm naked. It did take a while to rinse out because there was so much in my hair, so I had to rinse it out quite a few times. And yeah, I love it. I just love the feeling mostly afterwards. I wanted to show you what it looked like wet, because I know that sometimes product could just enhance the curl, and I just really want to show you guys what it looked like immediately after I rinsed it out. Let me just dry it a little bit with this microfiber towel. So normally when I dry it with a microfiber towel, do you see these little stringies? I normally get a lot more than that. So I'm not really getting much at all, which I'm super impressed with. Look, I'm super impressed with that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I gotta go style my hair, and then I'm off to pick up my kids, but this was an awesome hair mask. So if you guys are looking for a mask to help purify your curls, your regular straight hair, this is for all hair types, or your scalp, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. I'll leave the link down below for all the products that I used. And let me know if you guys try it. Let me know if it works for you. But I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.